What if I told you that regular people just like you are raking in over $20,000 per month by leveraging AI to create digital products? I know it sounds unbelievable, but stay with me because today I'll be revealing 7 insane products powered by artificial intelligence that are generating massive profits. These aren't complex tech products either. They are simple resources that people are selling online through platforms like Etsy. The crazy part: these products require barely any work to create thanks to AI, yet they are managing to pull in tens of thousands of dollars in passive income every single month. So without further delay, let me reveal the first golden product: product mockups. Product mockups are essentially template images for displaying products digitally. For example, a mug mockup allows you to showcase mug designs on a realistic background image of a mug. Mockups help products look more realistic and appealing. Well, people are making absolute banks by selling mockups they created with AI on sites like Etsy. I'm talking well over 6 figures in sales. One shop called Ratty Tank has done around 88,000 sales of mockups, likely amounting to over 333,000 in profit. Some of their hottest sellers are mug mockups generated by AI. Another shop has 32,000 sales of mockups, estimated at around $98,000. So how do they create these with AI? It's simple. You just input prompts into generative AI tools like SDXL and Midjourney, describing the type of mockup you want along with some keywords. Within minutes, you'll have professional, realistic mockups ready to sell. While there is some cleanup required, the AI handles the heavy lifting. Intrigued by the passive income potential yet? Well, strap in, because the next golden opportunity is selling guides and checklists for various industries. One shop on Etsy has created real estate guides and resources that have brought in a whopping $244,000 in sales. Guides on running an Airbnb, photography tips, cookbooks, you name it. These sell extremely well because they save people time and provide useful information. So how can AI help create these? Well, tools like Chatgpt, Claude, and Microsoft's Bing can generate the content for you. For example, I gave Chatgpt a simple prompt asking what I should include in a real estate buyer's guide. It happily provided an outline and even generated paragraphs of content for each section. Of course, you still have to take that content and turn it into nice-looking guides and resources by putting it in Canva or MS Word. But the hard part, coming up with the information, is handled by AI. Now, if these opportunities haven't gotten you excited yet, buckle up. Because leveraging AI to create logos and sell them online is blowing up right now. There are shops on Etsy charging anywhere from $10 to $130 per logo pack. And they've managed to rack up thousands of dollars in sales of logos generated using AI. Crazy, right? But it makes sense when you consider how much time and skill it takes to design high-quality logos from scratch. AI image generator tools like Midjourney again allow you to instantly generate pro-level logo designs for any niche just by inputting the right prompts. Now, of course, you do have to do some cleanup, like removing the odd AI gibberish text these tools sometimes add. But once you learn the skills to polish up the logos, this business becomes a goldmine. I hope you guys are as pumped as I am about these AI business opportunities. Now let's look at another golden product trending right now: wedding templates. Thinking of starting an Etsy shop with wedding invites, place cards, and more designed using AI? Well, listen to this. One shop on Etsy called A Wild Bloom Floral has likely already made around $1.6 million selling wedding templates. Their invitation templates get hundreds of 5-star reviews, and they barely have to lift a finger to create them. How? AI, of course. Yet again, image generator tools like Leonardo can generate elegant invitation designs with just a prompt. Feed it keywords like minimalist wedding invitation and boom, you've got professional templates in seconds. Now, if chic wedding templates aren't your style, don't tune out just yet, because selling resume templates made with AI is also massively profitable right now. One shop on Etsy has already made over $700,000 in lifetime sales just from resume templates. Other shops have tens of thousands of sales and likely 6-figure incomes too. So how can you tap into this? Tools like Canva allow you to generate endless creative resume template designs with a simple prompt. And now on our 6th number, let's talk about another golden product opportunity: patterns. One Etsy shop has made around $70,000 selling seamless patterns generated by AI. Another shop has made $14,000 with just 37 pattern listings. These types of repeatable printable patterns are commonly used for scrapbooks, wrapping paper, business cards, and more. So how do you create them? Simply prompt generative AI tools to generate patterns including keywords of what you want: geometric shapes, florals, etc. There are a variety of AI image generation tools available today, like DALL-E 2, Stable Diffusion, and more that can quickly generate these types of patterns. You just have to fine-tune the prompts to get the style of pattern you want. The AI will instantly generate seamless printable patterns you can sell. After a quick polish, they are ready to upload to Etsy to start the passive sales rolling in. Now moving on to our next part, which can help you earn more passive income by offering business cards as an upsell. Yet again, shops on Etsy, Shopify, and other e-commerce are crushing it by selling business card templates made with AI. For example, one shop charges an extra $20 for a business card template when someone buys their logo. Other shops, like Trendy Fox Studio, are raking in sales just from business card templates alone. So how can you do this? This one is the easiest among all. You just have to create prompts for generative AI to design business cards, then recreate the templates in Canva. In minutes, you have professional business card templates to upsell clients on. AI makes the entire process simple, so profits roll in on autopilot. So in the end, let us summarize that today, we went over 7 high-profit digital products you can easily create using AI. You now know how to generate product mockups, guides, logos, templates, and more that can make you thousands per month in passive income. The key takeaway here is that leveraging artificial intelligence allows you to build successful online shops and create streams of residual income with very little effort required on your end. The AI handles the heavy lifting of design, content creation, and ideation while you reap the rewards. With AI, you can create an unlimited number of digital products, list them for sale, and then earn money passively as the orders roll in. Rather than spending countless hours trying to come up with product ideas or designs, you can let AI generate them for you in seconds. If you're looking for a way to build thriving businesses that make you money while you sleep, AI is the ultimate solution and gives you the power to achieve that hands-off income lifestyle. Imagine how it would feel to wake up every morning and see new orders and profits pouring in from your AI-powered businesses. No more trading time for money. Instead, just check your sales dashboard to see your latest earnings generated on autopilot. You'll be able to find true freedom, the flexibility to work when you want, where you want, and with whom you want. With some focused effort and by applying what you learned today about leveraging AI for passive income products, you can make this automated income lifestyle a reality. It may take some work up front, but once your AI businesses are up and running, it's almost completely hands-off. So don't put it off any longer. Your financial freedom is closer than you think when you harness the power of artificial intelligence. Take control and start building your own AI money machines today. And that's all for today. If you're excited about AI innovations and want to stay updated with the latest trends and insights, subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, AI is not our enemy, but our ally, ushering us into a future of endless possibilities.